Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and I thought that today would be a great day for me to do the TikTok Chooses My Makeup Christmas edition with all the different Christmas filters. So that is what I'm gonna do. Now, I already have my base done, and I'm going to be partly filming on my phone because TikTok is on the phone. But I will throw up a clip of the filter as I'm doing it. And it's been a while since I really filmed on TikTok. And unfortunately, TikTok is probably going to be getting banned in the new year, which is very, very sad because I gained such a following over there. And I have loved doing TikToks, and it's just been a fun outlet. I'll be sad to see it go if it does end up going away. But my focus has been on YouTube here, so we'll see how it goes. So there are brows, eyeshadow, liner, freckles, and lips. I already have my brows on. Should I see what happens with the brows? Maybe. Okay, so I'm going to be filming with this, and let's see what it gives me for the brows. Okay, so it gave me pink bows. Cute. Now, since I already have my brows on, I am just going to do it kind of like on top. So let me go ahead and pin back my hair. Is this gonna be like the most cohesive look? Probably not. Kind of don't even want to do the brows, but like it's kind of fitting, right? So to do so, I'm just gonna be using the Lens and Glisten palette. I'll go in with Strut and probably a little bit of this light pink that's with this heart shade. And they're just like simple bows. Alright, so I just have a random brush and let's go in with the Strut shade. I'm not the best at doing bows. I'm starting with like a figure 8 just for like the general shape. And just like follow on top of my brow with the pink. And these ones are a little bit like, I don't want to say square, but they have a little bit more of a shape to them. So I'm just kind of squaring out what I did. Alright, I'm going to clean off that brush and go in with that lighter shade and just kind of fill in like the center. Is this the right move? I do not know. Yeah, definitely not exactly what it has pictured. And it needs like a little dimension. So I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow palette, which is the Lens and Blendbunny palette. And I'm going to take a small brush again. And I'm going to go in the shade Throwback, which is a black. And I'm going to kind of just shade, maybe. I feel like that does not look the best. I'm not very good at like small detail work like this. Oh, and by the way, this is less of a tutorial on me just like messing around with makeup. You know what? I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I hate it. I'll touch it up eventually. Alright, next up is random eyeshadow. Green. So it's like white, light green, dark green. Don't love that, but I am just gonna use this palette. Why not? It's here. I will prime with my Anastasia eye primer real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the white shade in here, which is called 23. I'm just going to take that on like a flattish blending brush and stamp that all in the front and on the inner corner. I'm hoping the liner I get goes with green and pink, but that's the fun thing about this sort of challenge is you just never know. You never know. Just for the sake, because this only shows top eyeshadow, whatever I do on top, I'm just going to do on the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the shade Graphic Tea. And this is going to go all out here. I'm going to slowly start blending that over and mixing that in with the white. And same brush underneath. Why not? Going back in with that white. I mean, I don't hate it. It's not exactly what they have because that is a darker green. So I'm going to go in with just a little bit of Lily here and just very lightly like darken this outer edge. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, more Graphic Tea. Not perfect, but it's close. Alright, next up is going to be the eyeliner, which hopefully is something good. Ooh, that is white with black snowflakes. That looks hard. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that white and really stamp this on. I really wanted to do something like crazy eyelinery because I hate the bows. I hate the bows. I'm gonna have to touch those up. Snowflakes, I guess I just go in with my water activated liner and go in with Swoop. And oh my god, can I even do that? I'm so bad at liner, and to be that tiny, like that tiny and that precise, I think this might be where I fail horribly. At least it seems like almost a fairly easy design. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, So it's like cross, cross, in the middle, line, 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 and then like a circle. Can I even do this? Okay, I can do it if I don't breathe. Oh no, it went too thick. Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. I need to make this line thicker and longer. Oh, this is just going bad. And then there's just like a line. That doesn't look like it at all. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. How do people do this? To me, this looks like less like a snowflake and like more like I failed at doing the anarchy sign. I mean, does that even kind of look like it? No. No, it does not. Can I rectify this with like a little bit of white? Is that possible? You know what? Oddly enough, I think the white is breaking it up more. It's not perfect, but I don't hate it as much. I don't hate it. I mean, I hate it, but I don't like hate it. Alright, next up is going to be the random Christmas freckles, and I am scared. I think I can do this one. It's white with candy canes. I'm at least semi-capable, possibly. Alright, so I'm just going to take this palette again. I'm just going to dig into this white and just pop it right here. It's not going to be, ooh, you know what? No. It's going to be like white, like all the way over. Which I hate to dig in this palette since I just got it, but it's here. I might as well. Oh, this looks insane. I don't see like any dots around, but I might add like a couple like white dots just to make it make sense. So the candy canes they are just the red and white ones with a little bit of shadow underneath. So I'm gonna start with the white and then do the red details. Like candy canes can't be that hard, right? I hope not, because I actually have another look where I'm doing candy canes and like I haven't done it yet. It's a candy cane shape. This one is definitely more wonky than this one. This one's almost perfect. This one's just a little like chubby. Placement isn't perfect, but it's fine. I'm gonna go in with the red shade, which is heart, to do the lines. Adorable. And so much easier to do than you would think. So cute. Not totally accurate, but cute. Back into the shadow palette though, I'm going to go in with, I guess, a little bit of throwback. I'm going to take the very lightest hand with it. I'm talking super, super light, and just do a little bit of shading around. This is actually a lip brush. I think that might be as good as it's going to get. And then the last one is lips, and I'm always scared about the lips. Okay, I hate this. It is like blurred red with white on the outside. I might have the perfect combo for that though. I think going in with just white around my lips would just look absolutely horrendous, and I kind of want this to be not necessarily wearable. Not at all wearable, but I want it to look somewhat decent. I think if I go in with Judith from the Melt and Bailey Serian Collab as the outside, and go also in with the Julia shade kind of in center and like blur it out into this one, and then right in the center, like dead center to make it deeper, going in with Wolfsbane from the first round of the Melt and Bailey Serian collab. Maybe? I'm gonna start with Wolfsbane in the center, just right there. It is so dry. And I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade, looking all crazy. And now going in with the red, that's similar. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the darker shade, and then just really layer this lighter shade, possibly crazy. Go in with a little bit of the white, just around the edge. I really don't know how people get these combinations and look cute. I feel kind of horrendous right now, not gonna lie. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get for the lips. Okay, I gotta say, I need to fix this. I need to fix this and make it, let's say, somewhat wearable. Somewhat, maybe, hopefully. First off, waterline. I am gonna have to go with a wing or something on my lash line. I just have to. I can't not. Eyes look better with the liner. How am I gonna fix these bows? Should I like trace them? Like trace them in like black? I mean, they're not traced in black. I don't know. I like forgot like the center. Is that any better? I don't think so. So if I make it like cartoony and trace it with black, I mean, this could be a mistake. Somewhat better? Not better at all? What do I know? I mean, from far away, they kind of look like bows. I feel like I'm just making it worse by like keep going over it and over it and over it. But sure, let's go in and do some like white freckles. You know, we'll do white and red. Why not? It looks better with the freckles. Not the greatest, but better. What else can I do? This highlighter, maybe? It's not a highlighter, it's a liner. This is the liner from the Wet n Wild and Nightmare for Christmas line. The white one with the zero packaging. Am I pulling it together? Maybe. My lips feel horrendous though. Alright, so I think all I gotta do is do my lashes, and I might have to throw on a gloss. This just feels horrible. Do something with my hair, pick out a pair of earrings. I'll be back. I'll be back with the finished look, but like, oh, was this a struggle? Was this a struggle? It was a struggle. Does it look Christmassy? I feel like I look ridiculous. Alright, here is the finished look, and I gotta say, I don't necessarily hate it anymore. I just don't feel like it's my best work. It's the bows. It's the bows and then the snowflake on the inner corner. Like, it doesn't look too bad, but I wish I would have got something like different. Like, it's cute. It's cute, but like, Also, I don't like the lips. I did throw on a pair of lashes, which are the Sleigh Bell lashes from Elli Beauty, which again, that brand does not exist anymore. But they are black and red, and it is my absolute favorite pair of lashes ever. And I'm so sad that I will never be able to get these again. And my mascara is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes. And then I did throw on, not a gloss, but one of the pH lip balms from the Colourpop and Pokemon collab, specifically the Ditto one. I just did a little bit in the center just to give a little bit of hydration, and it actually like made the color just a little bit better. Still hate it. I don't understand how this is a Christmas lip, but whatever. So again, this isn't much of a tutorial, but me trying and possibly failing at doing this look. So let me know what you think. Did I fail? Did I succeed? Did I hit somewhere in the middle? Let me know down below, and I'm gonna zoom you out to finish up this video. Oh my, was this just a struggle to get through? But I got through it, and it's not the best. I don't hate it. Actually, with like everything together, with, you know, my little Christmas tree earrings, I feel almost cute. And I kind of feel like if I didn't do the brow, that I could probably wear this makeup out in public. Maybe. I will have all of my makeup details listed down below because I know I didn't really talk about everything that I used. So in case you're interested in exactly all the products I used, check the description below. I will have all the details on there. But I think that covers everything. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want any book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Happy holidays, and I will see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!